house, and I'm using a shop vac, and I wanted to show you how I use a shop vac because I do use a shop vac. I've used it a few times when we've moved into a home or whatever. So I am going to vacuum out the fireplace. So I'll just show you how I do it, but I'm not going to be able to talk while I do it. So this is just a visual video, which I guess is what they are. Okay, here we go. This is how we turn it on. The rest out and then I can vacuum it up, but that's how it's done. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.